I don't see any sign of a stress fracture or anything like that.
If I did go riding, I'm not gonna tear anything, hurt it worse, right?
It may make it worse in that it will hurt. So my suggestion would be, honestly, let's like rest this. Let's get the inflammation down. If it's feeling a lot better, like maybe by like Friday.
Dude, the foot's feeling pretty good in the boot.
I'd love to hear it.
How's it going? Should be right here.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Right up here.
Yeah, come on up. What's your favorite run?
Oh, this side of the mountain's good.
They're calling for possibly an inch or two today.
That's fine, bring it on. Got my heated shit. I bought a heated vest 2 years ago.
Yeah?
Game changer, guys.
Really?
Oh,
Really?
yo.
right.
I was up here and it was 35 below. I was toasty, man. 68 years old. All my friends, they're fucking, nah, I don't want to. I don't like to drive. Fuck that.
I drove from Virginia and then I picked him up on the way in Indiana, so we're quite a ways away.
And I was bitching about my hour and 10 minutes coming up here.
I felt it, but it was like,
We're good.
I like those shades.
It changed to clear and like they get darker when it's really bright.
Oh, that's sick. Dude, I felt so fucking good.
Thank God.
The only time I didn't love the feeling of it was going toe side.
Too much power.
That was sick. Anyone that thinks that out west black diamonds are harder than mid-Atlantic diamonds are idiots.
It's the same pitch.
It's the same shit. Just one has better fucking snow conditions. Let's see how fast I went.
You were smoking down the bottom.
43.
Not bad.
Not bad. This entire thing looks elite.
This is epic. Epic pass.
Epic's resort.
Living up to it.
Yeah. It is kind of fucked because all the resorts outside of Colorado get clapped by Vail, but the Vail resorts here, that's where they're spending all the money.
Shit ton.
All the money's going to these resorts. They're like, fuck the feeder resorts. All right.
I said we just dive through here.
Absolutely. From around here?
No, I actually live in Birmingham, Alabama. We come out here all the time.
Oh, Alabama?
Yeah, it's home away from home.
You ride at that little resort out there?
yeah, no.
I want to go there just to see it, because that thing can't be around for many more seasons. All right, thank you. So I'm gonna ride like this.
You can't really see.
What do you mean?
It's 360.
It's 360, dude. It's gonna look like I'm in a video game. Fuck yeah. When we did the little like drop-in thing, I didn't take the same as line as you and just sunk into powder and just like flipped. And then I had to crawl out and then clean this shit off because it was covered in snow, which it still is. Holy fuck.
Now we're talking.
That's a fucking drop.
I might drop it from up there.
So sick. Thank you.
Ready?
Let's go slingshot me. Oh my God, thank you.
First time I saw one dog paddle on a snowboard. Good job.
I'm trying. No, we're fine. Oh, we're so close too. All right, so maybe that section, low-key not the move on a snowboard. All right, holy shit. That took it out of me. Dude, the legs, burning. This is so sick, so elite.
It literally cannot get better.
No, we are peaking. Ooh, we should try that black. Let's do it. You ready?
We got a bomb and shit.
Yeah. That was so fun. Now, did we get out here or do we keep going up?
We go up.
How we doing?
What's up?
I like your button. What's the button say?
Thank you.
Fun
thank
meter?
You. Yeah, fun meter's on max today.
Excuse me.
Yo,
How do you get to the terrain park from here?
you know, like all the way down Schoolmarm, you know, like where that is?
Do we know where that is?
That's this green here.
This long one, right? And then
Alright.
you're gonna look for Acapulco Road,
Okay.
and you're gonna go there, and then that drops you into all of them.
We made it.